There aren't that many TVs that make you say, holy crap, but this is one of those TVs. You're taking a look at the world's first rollable OLED set from LG. It's a 4K panel and it's OLED, so you know you're going to get eye-popping colors as well as perfect blacks. But it's all about being able to roll up the display, and it's not a gimmick. There's 3 different modes. The first one gives you things like news, sports, and weather, and it only pops up about 1/3 of the way. If you go up a little bit more with the included remote, you get a 21:9 aspect ratio, and that's ideal for watching movies. You can go up then a little bit further, and you get the ideal aspect ratio for watching TV. There's no word yet on pricing or availability because this is LG Display, not LG TV. In fact, LG Display might work with someone else to bring this to market. But overall, we're blown away with just how thin and rollable and lovable this display is. For Tom's Guide, this is Mark Spoonhour at CES 2018.